Alright. Hello guys. In today's video we're gonna be not unboxing. I already read the whole entire box. But reviewing the Dogman 5-pack. And by the way, since you might be watching with your parents, if you want, you can buy them at Target, which is where I bought them. Just search Target in the toy aisles. They're not at the really kiddies part, alright? Because that's where I found them. And there was only 2 when I found them. There was only 2 of them, so they might be out of stock because a lot of kids already went to go see the Dogman movie. And I'm really sad that I didn't. But yeah, there's also a lot of Dogman books in stock. It doesn't go with the, well, it does go with the movie. The first one goes with the movie. And one more notice. This well, I don't swear at all. My videos don't swear. They're just some of them contain some violence. Alright? So if you ever, and I mean, like, just ever watch my videos, I don't swear. Alright? I don't swear. That's the last thing. Wait. No, I have one more other thing. Wait, do I? Nah, I don't. So, let's just get into the reviewing. As you can see, Dogman. Dogman's a pretty good action figure. He can bend like that. Unfortunately, since he's little, he doesn't have arms that can bend like this. 3, 2, 1. Boom. An action figure! I will do a review with this because it's a new one. But this is a Spider Boy. You see how he can do that? Dogman cannot do that. But I'm fine with that. And also, he can't go up or down, but he can rotate. He can go like that with his arms. He can go this way, and he can go this way with both arms. He has a joint down here that makes his legs move like that. As you can see, I don't know if he has a joint in his feet. I haven't seen that. I don't think he does. It would have been cool if he did, but we can get into details right now. As you can see, he has his usual smile. He has those. I don't know what they're called, to be honest. And it looks just like Dogman. Yeah, he's a police officer, so he has that, and he has his stitches. Because if you read the first Dogman, and in all the Dogmans, I think it shows his origin story. His head was way too, his owner's head was way too weak, and the dog's body was way too weak as well. So the doctors decided they should stitch on the dog's head onto the man's body. And surprisingly, they both had the same skin color. I thought they didn't. As you can see, more detail, I just realized. More detail on here. And drop that. He has detail on his eyes, which makes it look kind of like his book or comic book thing, his comic book style, and his nose right here. All right. So now we're gonna go into Petey. Alright. Petey, right here. Petey is the tallest out of the 5. And he smiles. Just like the book I have, I think it was the latest one Dave Pike Lee made. He's like this in his in a red, yeah, I think it's a red helicopter, or and he's like kind of, I think he's dressed like a pilot and he's going like this. So maybe that's why they did that. And also, by the way, he has 5 whiskers. 5 whiskers. So that's pretty good. He has some decent detail. You see on all around he's striped. Even on his tail, which is pretty cool, he's striped. And all the way down to his feet he's striped. Except they made one painting they made a painting error. Yeah, let me try to get it in focus. If you can see that, they made a painting error on his foot. But I don't really care. It's still a good figure made in China. Well, technically it's just made in China. Made in China. And I don't know what this code means. I don't know what that means. And he's a good figure overall. Just like Dogman. Wait. His tail can be movable. Just like Dogman, he can move his feet up. He can move his feet down and up. Up and down. And basically, his articulation, everybody's articulation is the same except the smaller ones. Which I will do after Chief. Alright, so Chief is kind of like, it's kind of more bulky, I want to say. More thicker than the other ones, as you can see. And he's kind of having like a, it looks like the face he would do if Dogman tried to lick him. Alrighty. I'm still trying to go on with the. Alright. Thankfully, the water saved me, because it would have been a face reveal. So, just wearing this outfit. Whew, that was close. Alright, so Chief. Let's just have it like that. Yeah, alright. Chief. He kind of looks like if he's looking at somebody, like side-eyeing them, like. I don't know about you. So, yeah. Well, as a chief, you don't really know about anything. You don't really know, not like that. You don't really know if somebody did a crime or not. So he's like, you're gonna go to jail. And that would be this man. I don't know why he's happy to go to jail. He doesn't even like his dad, so he's gonna go into cat jail with his dad, so. And it's pretty good detail. His mustache, his nose, the teeth, even the teeth have detail. Teeth right here. His hat. He's bald, so nothing really there. he has this stuff. I don't know what you call that stuff. I'll just call it detail. Detail, his collar, and his shoes. So basically what Dogman wears, except as Chief, he has more detail. As you see. And just like Dogman, it's like kind of imprinted, like stapled onto it. That's also with these two. It looks like stapled onto it. And as of course it's made in China. As well as detail down there in his pants. And that's it for Chief. Which one do I have next? Ooh, I have this one. I forgot his name. I'm gonna have to search it up. I'm gonna have to search his name up. What is his name? What is this guy's name? I'm gonna search it. His name is Flippy or Floppy. I think it's Flippy though. And he's an evil fish with kinetic powers. He's not really evil though, right? It was the massive dose of super dots. Or I think it was super evil dots or super dots. You guys have to correct me in the comments. And as you can see, he's kind of looking out to the side like Chief. He does have articulation, surprisingly. Down here, his arms can move. So yeah. And he also has this... He also has this stand. Not that. This stand. Yeah. So, I'm gonna do something really cool right now. Which can be used if somebody is falling from the sky. And if you do watch my videos a lot, I actually used my hand instead of like a stand when Deadpool was falling off to the sky. I'll give you a picture of that at the end. And also, I have the newest book. So yeah, I might have told you guys before, but I'm just telling you again. I have the newest, the latest, not the newest, the latest book, I think, of Dogman. So yeah, I'm trying to get this on Dogman. It's hard. Alright, just keep it like that. Just keep it like that. This is very frustrating, as you can hear. So, he has this little hole, and you can plug it in. You can plug it in to that. Yeah, I can see him. Surprisingly, it worked. So yeah, and that's all for Flippy or Floppy. That's not his name. I'm just saying it might be Flippy or it might be Floppy. I feel like it's Flippy though. So you can see down here. He has a hole right here. It connects to it. Let me just try to put it on. And you can just... There. It connects to it, see? As you can see. Alright. This is the last. Let me check what that looks like. Sorry that I keep on doing that. It's just the stand isn't really good enough to hold my phone. for some reason. And we got little Petey, one of my favorite characters. Now let me try to get him in focus. There. You can see all his detail. I think he has even green eyes a little bit, if you can see it. He has as much detail as Petey, actually, kind of. He has pretty good detail to Petey. And yeah, and a whisker broke off, but at least it looks actually like Petey. But the thing is, Petey used a whisker in order to make him, I think, or either a hair. And it just doesn't look right, because then shouldn't little Petey have 3 instead of 2? Know what I mean? So yeah, little Petey's pretty good. And since his body is not bigger than his head, Made in China is over here. And it's definitely made from Jakks Pacific. And I thought they would actually make something pretty good, but it's still good, but like it's not as great as the Sonic 3 figures from Jakks. Alright, now time to show you good. Dogman the Scarlet Shredder. And I'm gonna actually check again. It should say in here the date. March 2024, first edition. Right. But when did it like come out? 2024. Alright. So yeah, it's the latest. And the best Dogman here, kitty kitty kitty, the tomato juice solution, a bunch of stuff that happened next, which I remember. Ooh! A Flipperama! Pretty nice. Alright, it has 16 chapters. I'll read them all. The best Dogman, here kitty kitty kitty, the tomato juice solution, a bunch of stuff that happened next, the man with a plan, the big switch hero, I don't know, the bot with a plot, Petey's dream, tanks for nothing, multiple singularity, I don't know how to say that. The infiltration, Robo Revolt, big fight, Petey's dreams again, Petey adjusts his sails, bedtime for buddies. Alright. And I don't know if all the Dogmans have this, but oh man, this page is already like kind of bent. But Dave Pikely as a kid. So yeah, so it's all that. You can pause it. I'm gonna be like this for a little bit. Here, better. Alright, so the end, as you can see, and notes and fun facts. So I'm not gonna spoil anymore. So yeah, Dogman the Scarlet Shredder. When desperate times call for spectacular acts, our 4 faithful friends must face their fate. So yeah. Oh, here. He doesn't have gear, but it kind of looks like it, right? Except his eyes are closed in here, but like it looks like the same smile. Here, 1, 2, 3. All right, 1, 2, 3. they might have actually taken this from the book, bro. They might have actually taken this from the book. So yeah. I'm gonna actually read this. I will read this, but I'm not gonna read it to you guys, of course. Alright. Well, that's it. There's just gonna be one more message, but till that, bye guys. Hope you have a good day from wherever you're at. Coming up this weekend is nothing. Just kidding. It's gonna be the new Spider-Boy action figure. Well, action figure review. Alright? I'm gonna have to find my head though. I'm gonna have to find the head for Spider-Boy though. I don't know how, I already lost it. Oh, I found it already. Here's just a little sneak peek of what he has to offer. He has these two web hands, which have pretty good texture on them, or not texture, pretty good. What was I saying? Have I been saying texture the whole entire time? It's detail. Pretty good detail. And as you can see, this is the only head I'm gonna show you. And you can see that. You're not seeing it. You're not seeing his feet, bro. Just kidding. You can. He has the J's. He has the Nikes. No emblem though, or what? I don't know how to say that. No, just no logo. No logo. So yeah. Extra accessory. And pretty good. So yeah. See you guys next video. Bye.